Hi everyone, it's Nikita here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to meet up with my mom. I better get going now because I'm kind of late. So I will bring you along and I'll let you have a sneak peek on a day with me. We're going to some cool places. I will bring you guys along with me. So stay tuned and I will update you later. Bye. So the taxi is here. Let's close up this door. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Mana ya, Mas? Itu kayak apa tuh namanya? Micro. Hi, finally my son and my mom join me. We're going to have lunch and what are we going to do, baby? Oh, this is such a cute.
Playing what? Playing up? Playing what?
Play?
With teman.
Oh,
Playing
I want to
with
play with friends.
Friends.
Who's your friend?
Rory. Oh my
Okay,
god.
we will let you guys where we're going and update you guys soon. Bye bye. Where we are going to have lunch today. We're eating at Sate Seafood Senayan. So it's an authentic Indonesian cuisine. We ordered nasi ayam taliwang and then nasi kuning campur. What did you order, Mama?
Ketoprak with sate.
Spicy ketoprak and then chicken satay, and what else? The other one, bubur opor ayam for Jacob, and yeah, just some tea. But we already know the taste here. It's very good, very recommended. It's one of me and my mom's favorite.
It's Indonesian food, yeah.
Yeah, we will show you guys once the food has arrived. But it is delicious.
Okay.
We're going to Grand Fireplace. Yang kemarin tadi aja baru makan just got back from Kemang, and now I'm at my mom's place. So yeah, we'll be going back to Kemang later, late at night. But yeah, for now we're going to just chill. Oh my god, don't mind the messiness behind. Yeah, so it's been a long day. We went to Kemang village. No, Lipo Mall Kemang. And yeah, enjoying mother-daughter time. Plus Jacob, definitely. And yeah, I'll update you guys later.